Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone! Greeting of peace to all of you brothers and sisters. So today, we're going to have a challenge of how to eat while not touching our lipstick. You know, as you can see guys, I don't have a lipstick right now, and I brought a mirror with me, and I'm gonna put the lipstick on in front of you guys. Yeah, where's my lipstick? Yeah, ta-da! So, I just want to see how I look like if I don't touch my lipstick while eating. I'm gonna hit it now, guys. I'll make it very, very thick. Usually, guys, I don't use much of lipstick, but since this is a challenge, so I'm gonna put it very thick for you guys. We have a lipstick. I'm ready, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna eat by hands anyway. I washed my hands already. And we have some chicken popcorn here. That is one. And we have some crackers here. So, we're going to start first in the crackers and then go to this one. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's begin, guys. No touching the lipstick challenge, okay? While eating. I guess I touched my lipstick already, right? Guys, it's hard. If I don't look up, like the water from my mouth will touch to the lipstick. Sometimes the particles of the chips want to go out from my mouth to touch the lips, but it's hard, guys. How I will drink water now? Guys, I failed. So here you go, guys. Yeah, we just done the challenge. Yeah, it was really amazing, and it was really challenging for me because this is the very first time I did it in my entire life. So yeah, it's kind of funny. Yeah, I enjoyed a lot, and hope you guys enjoy too. And yeah, I can suggest this to everyone to do the same thing also. That's it, guys. Thank you for keep watching to my YouTube videos, and please don't forget to subscribe Dora the Explorer and press the notification bell down below so you will get notified whenever I am uploading a new video, guys. So I do hope that I can make more videos to come, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of challenges to come to us, so just stand by, guys, and please don't forget to like and share. Let's support each other. Masalama.